Hello everyone, good morning. This is Miriam Gupta and the bulletin starts with Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella explains a 6,000 job cuts and amid AI push and new Versace release. Scan, convert and scan PDF with Google Drive in under a minute. Amazon launches a 012 build a breakthroughs consumer products. Anthropic hits a $3 billion to annualized revenue amid soaring AI demand. WhatsApp revamps status with the music, colleges and interactive stickers. Rise in a bullying and violent content on Facebook after Meta eased on modernization rules. China plus one can't relay in a China, says Amitabh Kant, urges Indian industry to innovate and move. So, in yesterday's quiz, which country introduced a chip-based e-passport to enhance the travel security? And the answer is India. Now, it's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. What is the full form of GPS? Confident you have got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune in tomorrow's news bulletin if you nail it. Now, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella clarified in a recent town hall that the company's 6,000 job cuts, about 3% of its workforce, were due to a recognition rather than performance. These layoffs hit product development, role signing, and engineering jobs are affected at the Microsoft Accelerate AI integrations. Nadella's emphasized as the company's focus on expanding adoption of its Copilot AI assistants among enterprise customers. Notably, Microsoft secured a major AI deal with the Barclays PIC, which agreed to purchase a 1 lakh Copilot licenses. With the clients like Accenture, Toyota, Volkswagen, and the Siemens also have a large Copilot user basis. At roughly a $30 a user monthly, that deals could generate teens of million annually. To adoption remains a caution on companies navigate training and internal changes. Scanning and saving documents as a PDF is now faster than ever using of Google Drive on your Android phone. Whether it's an Aadhaar card or a handwritten notes, you can complete the entire process in under a minute. Simply open the Google Drive and app and tap the camera icon near the button right corner. Alternatively, long press Drive app on your home screen and select Scan for a quick access. Once you snap a photo of a document, you can scan additional pages or proceed by tapping Done. Google Drive then allows you to remain the file chosen between a PDF or a JPG format or save it directly to your drive. This seamless method eliminates the need to convert images to PDFs manually or upload files separately. It is an ideal tool for students, professionals, or anyone handling a multiple physical documents, offering instant cloud backup and easy sharing. Amazon has tapped Xbox co-founder Jay Allard to lead its new Zero One team and tasked with building breakthroughs consumer products. The initiative signals Amazon's renewed push into innovative hardware and software. As Allard is credited with co-creating Microsoft Xbox tasks like to Helium. Zero One operating out of Seattle, San Francisco is Sunnyvale is hiring across applied sciences, marketing, and user search. Its job listing is a hint of smart home devices and other consumer tech, while Amazon has successes with the Kindle and Echo. It also struggled with the products like the Fire Phone, Astro Robot, and Alert joins under Panis Amazon devices and services had a former Microsoft executive behind Surface Computing. Now, AI startup Anthropic has reached the impressive $30 billion to annualized revenue according to the insiders. A remarkable surge from a $1 million to December 2024 and $2 billion in March 2025. The rapid growth of highlights accelerating enterprise demand for generative AI tools, especially in a code generation, a space of Anthropic model access. Backed by a tech giants, a Google and Amazon, Anthropic primarily earns by offering AI models as a service to businesses. Unlike a consumer-facing platforms like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Anthropic strategy focuses on an enterprise-level adoption and improving AI's growing role in a beyond experimentation. WhatsApp is enhancing its status feature with a range of creative tools and aim to making daily updates from the expressive and engaging. One of the standout features is layout, which will let users create collages up to 6 images in a single status post arranged using built-in editing tools. The update also introduces more with the music, allow users to add music stickers or dedicate entire status updates to songs that reflect their mood. Another addition is to photo stickers, enabling users to turn into photo into a customizable sticker for a more playful or a personal content. The Add Your Sticker in a brings interactively allow users to share prompts and invite friends and post their own themed responses. These updates are rolling out in a gradually and aim to transform status into a more dynamic and personalized storytelling platform. WhatsApp is enhancing its status feature with a range of creative tools and aim to making daily updates from expressive and engaging. One of the standout features is layout, which will let users create collages up to 6 images in a single status post arranged using built-in editing tools. The update also introduces more with the music, allow users to add music stickers or dedicate entire status updates to songs that reflect their mood. Another addition is to photo stickers, enabling users to turn into photo into a customizable sticker for a more playful or a personal content. The Add Your Sticker in a brings interactively allow users to share prompts and invite friends and post their own themed responses. These updates are rolling out in a gradually and aim to transform status into a more dynamic and personalized storytelling platform. WhatsApp is enhancing its status feature with a range of creative tools and aim to making daily updates from expressive and engaging. One of the standout features is layout, which will let users create college. India G20 is a Sherpa Amitabh Kant has firmly stated that the importing from a China to execute to China plus one strategy is flawed. Speaking at the CIA Annual Business Summit 2025, Kant emphasized that the Indian industry must invest to R&D and adopt disruptive technologies rather than attempt to replicate China's model. You can't copy the Chinese, you must beat them, he said, advocating the technological leapfrogging, highlighting the need for innovation. Can't urge Indian businesses to build a foundational AI models and tailor to solve global challenges in healthcare, education, and nutrition, leveraging India's linguistic diversity. He praised India's success to building a digital public infrastructure using open source framework and called on a startup to lead a path-breaking work. Kant also emphasized that while the center has created enabling frameworks. Thank you for the today's bulletin. Follow IT Voice for more such tech updates.